See here, a man buys a scooter for 1400 and sells it at a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the scooter? What is given here? Loss percentage is given and cost price is given, which is 1400. Loss percentage is equal to how much? 15%. He's asking us to find the selling price. So selling price equivalent to 100 minus loss percentage. What is the loss percentage? 15 divided by 100 into CP. What is CP? 1400. This is equivalent to 85 by 100 into 1400. 0 and 0 will get cancels. So on simplification, 14 5s are how much? 70. 7 will carry forward. 14 8s are 112. 112 plus 7 is nothing but 1190. So the answer is 1190. See here, if a material is sold for 300 and there is a loss of 25%, find the cost price of the material. So cost price we have to find, which is equals to 100 by 100 minus, what is the loss percentage? 25. So 25 into, what is the selling price? 300, because the selling price is given as 300. On simplification, you will get 100 by 75 into 300. 75 ones, 75 fours, which is equals to 400. So the cost price is 400. See here, if an article is sold at a loss of 20%, then selling price will become 80% of cost price. If it is a loss of X percentage, means selling price equivalent to 100 minus X into cost price. That's all. Okay. See, very important. If a person sells two items at the same price, very important, on one at a gain of X percentage and another at a loss of X percentage, then the seller always incurs a loss which is equivalent to, loss percentage is equals to common loss or gain. What is common loss or gain? X percentage. So x by 10 whole square, or which can write as x square by 100 percentage. This will happen only when selling price of two items are same. This is very important. Let us see an example. See here, a man purchased two articles for 1000 rupees each. On selling first item, he gains 20%. He gains 20%. On the other, he loses 20%. What is profit or loss in the transaction? If you straight away apply the formula 20 square by 100, which is equals to 4% loss. This is what most of the student will fall trap in the exam, which is wrong. See, the formula is for when selling prices are same, but here purchased, it means the cost price is same. Look at this, the cost purchase means buying. So the cost price of two items are same. On one item there is X percentage profit, and on other item there is X percentage loss. Okay, this when cost price are same, then there will be no loss, no profit. Simply here, no loss, no profit for this question. Okay, this is wrong. This formula you can apply only when selling prices are same. We will see another model. See here, let us correct this like this. A man sells two articles for 10,000 each. On selling first, he gains 20%. On the other, he loses 20%. what is profit or loss in the transaction. When selling price of two items are same, on one item there is X percentage profit and another item there is X percentage loss, then the trader always incurs a loss which is equals to X square by 100 percentage. What is X here? 20. So 20 square by 100, which is equals to 4. So the loss will be 4 percentage. Be careful whether he is giving selling price or cost price. See here, if a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price but he uses false weight, then what is the process you have to follow? Then you always get a gain which is equivalent to gain percentage equivalent to error by true value minus error into 100 percentage. Gain percentage equivalent to error by true value minus error into 100 percentage. Let us see an example. Here, a dishonest merchant professes to sell his goods at cost price but he uses weight of 900 grams for 1 kg. What is the error here? 100 grams. What is the profit percentage we have to find? What is the formula for this? Gain percentage equivalent to error by true value minus error into 100 percentage. What is error here? Actually he has to give 1 kg, but how much is giving? 900 grams. So what is the error you will get? Error equivalent to 100 grams divided by true value. How many grams he has to give actually? 1000 grams. So minus error which is 100 into 100. On simplification you will get 100 by 900 into 100 which is equals to 11 1 by 9 percentage. 11 1 by 9 percentage. 0 0 will get cancels. 100 by 9. 9 11s are 99. 1 is remainder. So 11 1 by 9 percentage. Is it clear? See here. This is another important model which they are asking in the exam. The percentage profit earned by selling an article for 1920 is equivalent to percentage loss incurred by selling same article 1280. At what price should the article to be sold to make 25% profit? Simple. We don't know what is the profit percentage, what is the loss percentage actually. Let us assume this is the cost price. Let us assume this is the cost price. Okay. If we are getting X percentage profit, he has to sell it for 1920. If we get same percentage loss, he has to sell it for 1280. What is the difference? X minus of minus. If there is no loss, no profit, it will become 0. From here to here the distance is X. From here to here the distance is X. Okay. The total distance is how much? 2X. So 2X is equivalent to 1920 minus 1280, which is equivalent to 640. How much will get? 40. This is 2X is equals to. So X equal to how much? 320. Okay. This is X. X value is 320. Here, see here not percentage profit, actually the profit earned. The question is wrong actually. The profit earned, not percentage. Okay, the profit earned. What are the profit here is also the same, or you can take the same thing. Or other is straight away finding the X percentage. You can take anything else. Okay, no problem. Anything you can do it, whether in X percentage or X, you'll get same.